Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm back. It's the new year. It's a new year, 2023. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope the new year is going good for you guys as well. Talk to me in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Let's anyways, as you guys can see by the title, I literally just got this package in the mail and I was like, I have to open it right now because I'm gonna use it tomorrow. Tomorrow is the first day of my new job, period. And I'm gonna need this to use. Yes, new job, I said it. I won't be in any scrubs. I mean, I can wear scrubs if I want to, but I have options now because a girl will be working in the office. So I don't have to wear scrub. Like, I've been wearing scrubs to work since 2016. From 2016 to 2021, I've been wearing scrubs in childcare, yeah, working with kids. And then 2021 until now, I'm in healthcare. But my new job is a little different. Even though I'm still in the healthcare, it's a little different where I could dress up a certain way because I'll be working in the office. So I'm gonna need my cute purse to go with my fits. I look rough. I'm getting over a cold, but when I'm done, I'm gonna prepare myself because today's Sunday, tomorrow is the first day on the job. I'm gonna get my hair and everything together, but scratch all of that. Let's get into this. Let me open it.
You made me wanna run. I'll see me jump. Make me want some more.
Whoa. Oh, you see that? Coach. Now, coach, the only issue I have right now, I don't understand how when I see all those other YouTube videos, the packaging is so cute. But when I get my items, this is my second Coach purse. But when I get my items, they don't be packaged like how I see it, you know? Because what's with all this test? Like, I want those cute packages that I be seeing. Anyways, it's just the bag and the receipt in the box. So $460. I did $460 for this before. So it was $460 before the sale, because I bought this, like, I think it was like a 50% off going on. All right, so let me tell you. Let me. I'm not gonna make this video too long. It's just one little purse, you know. Has all the tags. Yes, it's from the Coach store, the Coach outlet. That's where I buy them from, online. And here goes the reveal. Ta-da-da. Come on now. Come on now. Woo. Now, guys. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna tell you what's this called. I'm gonna tell you what this one is called. Come on, make sure the name upon the bag. Dempsey. Wait, let me read it from here.
Me too. I went on her page and I was like, oh, jump scare.
I'm scared. Ignore me, guys. Oh, this right here. You can tell I'm not wearing my shirt. I'm wearing my man's shirt. Listen, sometimes I just be wanting to wear some t-shirt, and you know me, I'm always with the small clothes. So sometimes I need to get some t-shirts for myself. Sometimes I want something loose, I just get one of his shirt. Anyways, it's called the Signature Dempsey Tote. This is 22 inches. The color is black smoke silver. To me, The only thing, the moment I saw the picture, I love it. I love it. But the only thing is, people might see this silver here and think it's white, but it's dirty. That's the only thing. But I know it's silver. Silver, black smoke, all that stuff. And it's cute. They have the bigger size. I was like, should I just get the bigger one? But then I was like, the bigger one is too expensive. But these are all the stuffings. I already did a Coach review on my first Coach purse like a month ago. I'm gonna leave the video here, so go check that one out. That was a cute little, what was that, satchel? Oh no. All right, come on now. I mean, them package it nice and secure, so like in a bend up, that I like it. It still have its shape in the box. I could say that it was packaged real good, so it's not like, you know, creased or anything. Yeah, so I like that it was packaged to have no crease, none of that. I'm so glad it came on time, because it said, I just ordered this 2 days ago, Friday, and today's Sunday, and it said it was gonna be delivered in 7 days, but it came in 2 days. Maybe because it's not like the holiday time or anything, but they're having sales. They have up to, I see up to 70% off. So I got this one 50% off. Let me give you a up close. I like the little code sign on the front there. It's given. As you can see, the color, it's not white. It probably looks white on camera, but it's not white. This is the smoke. Then you have the black and silver. It's cute. The side and the back. So inside is the color, it looks burgundy, like a wine. It looks like a wine color to me. Honestly, I wanted another color. I saw they had like a wine and like a gold, and they had different colors, but because I wanted something to go with all my outfits, I just stick to the basic color, which is black, you know. So for like pockets now, it has a zipper here. Also, it has a pocket on this side over here. I could fit stuff in here, like my phone, my little Victoria's Secret wallet. I need to get me a Coach wallet too, and a lot more stuff. I'm bringing it like this, like this is how I'll be walking in, like, good morning everyone. You said something over there? Thought I heard something. But yeah, this is just a quick video sharing with you guys my new purse. I hope you guys like it. Comment down below your thoughts. Ouch. Comment down below your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also remember to hit that thumbs up, hit the like button, and subscribe. Press that bell, like I said. Thank you so much for the support. Comment down below your thoughts. Also, I'm gonna leave the link in my description box for this purse if you like it, for this tote if you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.